Like, my friends get so mad at me because I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna have buttered noodles tonight. But honestly, like, I could, it's really bad. I can have buttered noodles 7 nights a week. I'm Christina, a junior recipe developer at HelloFresh. The first meal I ever cooked, I think it started with like grilling. It's easy to just take the frozen patties out of the freezer and be like, I'll just get dinner. And then it was like, let me get ground beef and start making my own patties. And then, ooh, steak. So I think the summertime and grilling was probably like my launching point. Both of my parents cooked. My dad is from Ghana, West Africa, and my mom is from Haiti. So the cuisines are very different. My mom lived here her whole life, so a lot of her influences are very Americanized, very like New York, versus my dad who like came from Africa and lived in the South, so like his palate is completely different. And growing up, it was just kind of marrying both of those, and then me watching an exorbitant amount of food television. I worked in restaurants for about 10 years. When the pandemic hit and the restaurants closed, I needed to reevaluate and figure out what I wanted to do. So I kind of took a leap and jumped into the kitchen here at HelloFresh, and it's been fantastic ever since. A dish that I love to cook for family and friends is usually when the weather's warm, we're outside, again, grilling. And I love to do fish, like whole fish or salmon, just because they cook really fast and you can get so much flavor in them. It ends up being super impressive and nice and easy, and everyone's eating really fast. It's just a win-win-win-win-win. One recipe that I love from HelloFresh that I actually cross-tested is this pho-style beef noodle soup. It comes with mushrooms, bok choy, cilantro, lime, sriracha. It kind of just hits every sweet, savory, comforting little note that you could possibly want in a soup or any other kind of dish.